Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video we are going to know about Idris Elba. Idris Elba is an English actor, producer and musician. And he has appeared in many movies, but he is best known for his role as Stringer Bell in the HBO series The Wire. His birth name is Idrissa Acuna Elba. His nicknames. He has various nicknames such as Idris and DJ Big Drees. His nationality. He has British nationality. His date of birth 6th September in 1972. His birthplace London in England. His profession. He is actor, producer and musician and DJ. Now let's talk about his parents and siblings. His mother name is Eve Elba and his father name is Winston Elba, and there is no information available about his siblings. Maybe he is single child of his parents. His hobbies. He loves playing and dancing on music and internet surfing. His physical measurements. He is 6 feet and 2 inches in height. His body weight is around 85 kg, around 190 pounds, and he has black hair and he has dark brown eyes, and in 2021 he is 49-year-old. His religion. He is non-religious person. His marital status. He is married. And Sabrina Elba is his wife, and before Sabrina he was married to Sonia Nicole and Hannah Norgard. His children. He has 2 children and their names are Ann Elba and Winston Elba. His income sources. He earns money by brand promotions and making and producing films and acting and much more. His net worth. As of 2021, his net worth is estimated to be around $30 million.